Hello beautifuls, and today I got just a couple of things, one little bitty thing before we get started. I got this little envelope from Pinch Me, and it is a sample of Fructis Treat 1 minute hair mask, and I got what I call the coconut flavor, but it's got coconut extract in it, it says. And they come in, and the coconut one is for nourished dry hair. Well, I do color my hair quite often to keep up the color, which you can't see really when there's no light except for what's in front of me. Then we have hair strengthening weak hair with banana extract, nourish dry hair with coconut extract, smooth frizzy hair with avocado extract, and repair damaged hair with pavia hair extract, and protect color vibrancy with goji extract. That's what I need. But there is such a little amount in this right there. That's where it starts. Until I don't, if you have long hair, it wouldn't be enough for you. But I do actually use Garnier products, and so I think they're good. And so that was my Pinch Me for the month. I have another one coming. They keep saying it's shipped, but it has been a long time. And the next thing I got, I don't know if y'all know what package this is, but this is the September Guzel box. And so there's been a few changes. Let me see this back over. There's been a few changes with the Guzel box. They have lowered the price to $25 a month. They're actually taking September off because they had some shipping issues. I mentioned that in my last video. So they've taken September off to get everything back together, and they will start. So if you paid for your September box, you will get that box in October, and then they'll charge you, you know, then for your November box, and then they'll be back on track. So I actually got 2 boxes because I bought a box and then they sent me a box, and so this is the box that just came. Right, I've already untaped it. The other box I plan to use as a giveaway, and so I don't know if y'all would want to see it or not. I'm sorry, I got to adjust because I'm sitting on the floor, as you can tell. But I want to show you what's in my box. And like I said, I want to give a Guzel box away. It'll probably be a pop-up. So, and this is the end of September, so it'll probably be a pop-up giveaway in October. So if you want the October box, I mean, if you want this a September box, since I'm not going to keep both of them, just pay attention to down in the description, and I may even mention it in a video. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll be like, if you see this, if you watch this to the end, it'll be in the description. If you watched it into the end, comment a pineapple, and the first person that comments a pineapple wins a prize. Sometimes it's like those. Sometimes I mention them. See, I'm right at my 500 subscriber giveaway. I haven't even got that mailed yet. So, anyways, this is how the box come. And it doesn't have its regular card because, like I said, they've been having a little bit of issues. And it just says, our inserts for this month arrived incorrect. We did not want to delay shipping, so we printed these out instead. Sorry for the inconvenience, and we hope you enjoy all the great items. Now, I like the Guzel box. I've been getting it since May. And like I said, I pay for a box, and then I get this box. I ordered one for September, and then I got one for review. And so this is the one for review. And the first thing I see on here is a Tarte Man-Eater liquid eyeliner. I am terrible with liquid eyeliner. I tried the gel, like the vintage that we got in our whatever box it was, I don't know, BoxyCharm, and it transfers the thinnest amount. It's transfers. This is I'm gonna shake this up because it seems like you need to shake it up. Oh, look at the tip. Oh, I might be able to work with that. Oh yeah, I can't wait to give that a try. I have ended up throwing all my liquid eyeliners in the trash because I get so frustrated, but that is like something I might can work with. And this is even on my wrinkly hand. The next thing, it's by the Aloha Eyeliner. Pure Hawaiian soap, and it is coconut milk. Oh, it smells just like the beach. When you've had a day out in the sun and you get in that shower to cool down and you are still smelling like sun lotion. Oh, I love it. So there's that. Okay, so speaking of, that led to this. Gillette Venus Olive Olay Vanilla Cashew. I want to smell it, but I'm kind of scared to spritz it out. I did spritz it out though, and it comes out a little. You need to shake it, I think. And it comes out, I hate to show you. Oh, I wish you could see it. It smells very good. I like Olive Olay products. And so, what am I going to do? I'm going to wipe this right. I meant to do just a little, but it skeeted out. Skeeted out. You know, I have my little words. You know, from the windows to the wall. Yeah, there we go. All right, so I got an Ofra. Can you see? An Ofra eyeshadow. I have a little Z palette that'll hold 3. It only has 1, and one of them's Makeup Geek, I think. That I got in a, I don't know, BoxyCharm, I think. So it's very glittery. Let's swatch that and see. I think that you could put this on your brush and knock it and probably knock the glitter off. That's what it looks like. There it is. It doesn't seem very pigmented. I'm gonna go in again. So that's it. And I don't know the color. It's just black with glitter in it. Will it say? It don't even say on the back. Okay, moving on. And the next thing I got, and I got this, I got a free sample of 3 of these products, 2 or 3 of these products, I think. And I actually like this one the best. The other one I got is a cream, and it doesn't do anything as far as I'm concerned. But this is a tea-tiny little bottle of Biossance, and it is squalane, vitamin C, and rose oil, and it smells just like roses. It comes in a little, And I've had mine for a couple of months. I mix all my liquids together and make my own little potion and rub it on my face. You know, you actually can do that and use less product and get the same benefit. But this is the little bottle. There you go. So I'm glad I got that because I like it, and the full size is too expensive. I can't afford it. Can't afford it, won't afford it. Oh, and we got a lipstick. Micro Collagen Lip Plump by Lip Fusion. It is in the color Sexy, and it is in a very pretty red. I have on gloss, and I have on lipstick already. Like I said, I've been to the doctor. Y'all, it is so hot outside. Y'all don't know it, but I'm dripping down the back of my neck. Okay, so here, oh, this is just lip gloss. It's not gonna have any pigment to it. That's it right there. Gee. I'll make my matte lipstick feel better. It smells good. It smells like berries or something. Okay, moving right along. Oh, I got another, wow. I'm so excited about this. I love these things. If we got them in every month, it would be perfectly fine with me. The Spongella, and this is Honey Blossom. And if y'all don't know what it is, it's a sponge filled with soap, and it says you get 5+ uses out of it. I've used mine a lot, and it's still got lots of soap in it. Okay, and so maybe the last thing it is, and this is going to be another skin soothing Tony Moly I'm Real Tea Tree Sheet Smoothing Mask. So, that's what I got in my box. Like I said, it's $25. It includes shipping. These right here are around $15. These are around $3 or $4. It's Tony Moly, and I think they're $4. I don't know anything about Lip Fusion, so I have no idea how much what they call lip plumping, their lip plumper. I do think it would be moisturizing because it's got collagen, but you don't get that tingly. It's not tingly. And I did not check. I just didn't. I didn't check to see how much the items cost because I wanted to be surprised. And so then, you know, this. I don't know how much for eyeshadows are, but I'm excited to have this to go in my palette. The bar of soap just takes me back to when we used to spend a week at the beach during the summer when my kids were little. And this little, like I said, I'm glad I got this. I have used it. I still am using it. And I'm glad to try the Tarte Manator eyeliner because I kind of have fallen in love with Tarte products. I don't like their eyeshadows. Don't pull me in. They're not colorful enough. I mean, how many palettes of brown can you have? But that's how I feel about it. They do have one now that's a face palette that I would love to get, but probably won't. Anyway, so I'm not going to open the other box. Here it is. I could keep it as a mystery box. And it should be similar to this box that I opened up. But now each box is different. Unless they catered both of these to me. Because you do fill out a profile. And they will, well, they ask you some questions. And they will go by it. I told them I do not like nudes. And ever since then, I don't get nude. I get some type of colored lipstick. So, That's it for today, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye-bye.